Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Umrupa Premium Meghalaya
Ka Avenues 22nd Annual Winter Workshop kala poino syakabakot daga jishim benta jonggi saupun ringwot ki Khynnah School kabalalong ha Apex Academy Avenues Shillong. Ya kenika workshop kabala sedang nadu ka kadway terek uno pra arjar psaw la pelong hadu khatsan singi genti na kabenta ki hebret ki badang sansnam karta hadu ka khandriusnam karta. Ha kini ki khatsan singi ki don baro rapu arnot ki hebret bat ki samla ki balai shim benta ban shot Jabieng bat ki balai yo jing mentoy sikat dai e ha kini singi.
Let's go Loreto. She's in class 3. Irajo in Avenues Mutala. This is her second year. So she's enjoying herself. She you iki ads jong Avenues. They la come. They la koi ka age bunyi la join beden. After join last year hapoka primary. Kidon category wise. Then this year they la join hapo junior section. The growth that I see hapo ikon beden along ba. Ila come no confidence. Bede she mixes with kung ili school contain pada nang mania can long friends with boys and tabade she's making friends with boys and she's actually made very good friends with many boys here, little ones. Kile yabaro wat ki bahien jong la jong ne ki ban maya kendo ki mania ki lang ki ni elo encourage bakin ha ikon ni makalong helpful shisha kialam kung maybe ni na manialam kung ki trekking dala die ki just to interact with our students. Baki age group la ki jong group unto kaya na bhashi bolne ki but open up but not confident. Every year do be here minshwari ne kundu ki don ki parents ba last time na try kundu bidan shong class 2 e kundu adon na shong class 9 do ki kun ki yawan ngaro ngabot kum tahi nan do bi ahe injutre at the group
Matao SNEM get celebrate yaka SNEM kaba akuan. It's our 22nd year anniversary of our existence. So how long have we been in the market? We've been here for 22 years. And it's the first time this year mangi penlong yaka ne program hang ne hapo nong hills ke. Lada pikan mau ka office jungi ka barim kadon hang pai hapo jingke hapo nong mai. Don't worry yaka to nge pak hang kadam, but temporarily for now we have shifted all our training in this building. So, therefore, it's very important for each and every one of you to know this fact because you might not need us only now, but you may also need us in the future as well.
Overwhelming for us to have you present here, and it's the second time that we're having a parent gathering in this building. If you have been with us long enough, you know that we started from a very humble office in Jabieng, where we had 2 floors there and we started out our business out there, we started out our academy out there, and many divisions have sprung out from there, and now we're all under one roof. So this is just the academy. Upstairs you have multiple divisions that are under Avenues, all the way from our media division to our monitoring and evaluation division to our ECD that handles the helplines for young mothers, and many other divisions that I can't, explain right now. But I just want to take this opportunity to extend my deepest gratitude to each of you for trusting us with your children. For us, it's been a tremendous journey of many challenges, and we have a collection of, I think, about 75 years of collected wisdom and expertise that just run through our veins so that we can reach out not only to communities here in the city, but in communities all over Meghalaya. So right now, as we end this program, we are also commencing another community program in the districts, and one of the districts is East Jabieng Hills. A camp very much similar to this, but also different in many angles, because we are going into the districts to reach out to children who are of a lesser fortune, right? And we aim at tapping into their talent, tapping into their personal growth, and also not to forget the well-being aspect of it, because we understand that mental health and emotional well-being is something that drives us. And if we are not stable enough, in that field, then we are not stable in anything else. So we've tried to impart some of those elements here as well. And today you will see a showcase of multiple talents, multiple skills, because we believe that if you don't have a talent, you may have a skill. And you may not have been able to identify it. Some of us still are so confused about what our talents are. But here we're giving children opportunities, small opportunities, daily habits that build their confidence, that build their communication skills, and also that build their ability to work well with other communities. Because we have a varied community coming to us every single year. And the ability to communicate with one community and the other, mixed communities, that's something that you can see shining today. Based on research and development of whatever courseware content that you see your children learning. And it's not only related to what we do here, but it's very much related to each project that comes to us. And without their aid and assistance, we wouldn't have been able to come up with curriculum, activities, to be able to find paths into every intelligence that is even here in this classroom right now, I mean this room right now. So we have Richborn. Rich. Hello. So Richborn handles our STEAM and STEM division. Recently we've felt the need to add A into STEM, and before it was STEM, but now it's STEAM. STEAM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, Arts and Mathematics. So through many short and very impactful activities with your students, with our students and your children, we're able to get them to think with an engineering mindset. You may be sitting here. So we've had some parents who come here and sit for the entire 2 hours. They sit here, they watch all the activities. We have parents who've joined us for many years before and they still come to us. Why do they come? Why are we here? And why do you sit here? And why do your children still choose to save up money also to come for our workshops? That was something that, really touched our hearts this year, because we found out that some of the kids are trying to help their parents gather money to be able to come and be here with us. And that is something that we are so humbled by. So right now, I'm not going to call out the names of the kids, but just a few avenues, experiences that they've gone through. So one child has said, I really like the mirror in the lobby. The trainers are really nice. I made really great friends. A lot of stuff to learn that I learned. I like the activities. The confidence has been boosted. It made me less lazy. And I had fun here. Another one said, this is my first time when I joined Avenues. And when I joined Avenues, I was so nervous. And this tuition Avenues improved my skills, confidence and communication skills. And I would like to join this next year also. Oh, we have early years as well. Your babies wrote with difficulty because this year, the early years are very young. We have like 5-year-olds, right? And it's very difficult for us to, no, not difficult, but it's a challenge and we work with that challenge, to be able to allow the child to express themselves just in one word, or maybe through a movement, or maybe through a thought, or maybe through an expression through their artwork, or through their drawing, or their ability to just look at you and say, hi mama, and give you a hug. So all of those things to be able to just write it down. So they've written something that they thought they liked, one of the personas, and she said that she's liked the Explorer. I liked the Explorer. I feel proud to come to Avenues, and this one was another one that picked up our ears. My Avenues experience was great. I got to learn exciting facts. Many great activities, wonderful trainers and students helped me learn a lot. I have acquired a lot of knowledge since the first day until now. It was the best experience so far. Every child has written their experience in their assessments. A program is not complete if there isn't an assessment. We feel that all the skills that they have learned, the knowledge that they have gained, is tested truly, not only in writing, but also their interaction with each other. So throughout the program, we've had also the kids coming on camera when they first came in and when they exit. So yesterday was their post-assessment, A pre-assessment is an assessment that we conduct when they come to us and how they behave and speak on camera for the first time. Okay? And in 15 days, how is that transformation happening? And we test it on the final day, which was yesterday, day before yesterday, along with their feedback. So there are levels of the program that we look at, but it's always complete, of course, with today, them graduating and them showcasing whatever they've learned. So I think I've spoken enough, but this year it's been just a little bit more different because we've understood that at a very young age, children exhibit multiple skills, multiple activities in themselves, right? Multiple challenges as well that they have, but they are unable to express it. So this year, our curriculum was based on 13 personas, and the children will be speaking about them in their testimonials today when you see them. But a persona is nothing but a real-life display of somebody who really exists, right? So for example, an engineer, or a mathematician, or an artist, or maybe even a public speaker. But through our personas, we're trying to engage students to prepare them for life with the skills that they would not need only now. Maybe they'd be able to display it 5 years from now, 10 years from now. But the fact that we want to insert it, those thoughts and those mindsets, we're doing it now so that they're better prepared to face a world with resilience, with kindness and affection, and of course, not to mention a broad mindset that caters to every person, every interaction.
My name is Anantha Agarwal. I study in St. Mary's School. I am 5 years old. I study in class 1. My favorite persona is the artist because it helps me be creative. The workshop lets me explore, create art, and share my story and be an ambassador, connecting with others all at once. Thank you. My name is Ari Miraka Renja. I want to talk about myself. I want to talk about the people who inspire me the most. They are my parents. They love me a lot and I love them too. Through their kindness and love, they have shown me the importance to connect with people. When I grow up, I want to be a doctor. I want to be an ambassador of hope and humanity. This is the reason why ambassador is my favorite persona, which we learn at the Apex Winter Workshop. Thank you, everyone.
My experiences were very nice, and our teachers, my friends also teach me very nice, and our teachers teach me in a funny way. And I'm going to share my aim in life. I want to be a doctor because I want to help the people who is very sick and also don't have supplements. Thank you.
Ïohlad, and today I'm going to speak about my experience in avenues and my aim in life. When I first joined the winter workshop, I was really nervous. But as the days go by, I start to feel more comfortable and talk with more people. From what I had learned in avenues, my favorite persona is Captain Planet because I love Mother Nature and I love protecting the earth. Now, I'm going to speak about my aim in life. My aim in life is to become a doctor for children because I love children and I want to heal them from their sicknesses or injuries. I will also give free treatment to those who cannot afford it. Mm, The person who inspired me is my auntie because she loves helping people as a doctor. Thank you. My name is Jabieng M. Babam. I've been promoted to class 3 and the name of my school is Leeds. Avenues was very fun and exciting. And there were personas like Captain Planet, the scientist, the teacher, and the leader. Captain Planet is all about taking care about the planet Earth. The scientist is a lot of science. The teacher is about teaching, and the leader is about leading people or leading even yourself. And the first day, the nature walk was very fun. I saw a lot of trees and plants. I collected stuff like pine cones, sticks, and leaves. And the channel that inspires me the most is Mystery Science because it's all about science. I'm gonna end my speech with one fact about every planet in the solar system. The first planet is Mercury. It is the smallest planet in the solar system. Next is Venus. It is the hottest planet in the solar system. Then we have Earth. It is the only planet in the universe which has life. Next is Mars. It is also known as the red planet. Next is Jupiter. It is the biggest planet in the solar system. Next is Saturn. It is known for its beautiful rings. Then we have Uranus. It is the coldest planet in the solar system. Last but not the least is Neptune. It is the farthest planet from the sun. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ïohlad, and today I'm going to sing a song named Deeper Than It Seems. I said you're one and only. You said you're perfect for me, but you like anything to drink. I said I'm insecure, but I'll take a glass of water, and you gave me the 7 seas. And baby, we have a ways to go, but water makes more waterfalls which tend to overflow. And baby, you give me strength and hope, and you just need to know. All alone in an ocean, feel my soul, pure devotion. Darling, you're the only one that takes my breath away. All these waves pull me under, just like rain before the thunder. Love can get much deeper than it seems, much deeper than it. You said I know we're getting close, but I think we should take it slow. I said I'm here for you, no matter what we do. Now you're the tune of everything. We put our love in candy rings, and all I see come from gray to baby blue. But love goes deeper and candy sweeter. Hear the echoes of love believers. And if the brokers sing tonight, but I'll go. But all your wishes and all my kisses, all our troubles are non-existent. Never thought that we'd be here, but I go. Baby, we have a ways to go, but water makes for waterfalls which tend to overflow. And baby, you give me strength and hope, and you just need to know. All alone in an ocean, feel my soul, pure devotion. Darling, you're the only one that takes my breath away. All these waves pull me under, just like rain before the thunder. Love can get much deeper than it seems, much deeper than it seems. Oh, oh, love can get much deeper than it seems. Oh, oh, love can get much deeper than it. Thank you.
I go to class 8 and I've been coming to Avenues for about 3 years, since 2019, 2023 and this year. So what happened? A lot. I made friends, made lots of memories, and I still remember it too, like it was yesterday. It was 2019. I was graduating to go to class 3, and my parents signed me up for this Avenues thing. The first day I was very shy, no friends, nothing. I was more shy than that one girl in my class now. During that time, I didn't know anyone there, but I met this one kid called Pante, really nice guy. I don't know where he is now. He was really nice, like the type of nice you get when your grandma gives you cookies. So, he taught me how to not be shy, and so did Avenues. Hopefully, next year I will come back to this. Personally, thank you to all the trainers, my parents who put me here, and Pante for teaching me how to make friends. Thank you, have a nice day.
Participant is Medha Lakshmi Naurem. Medha Lakshmi Naurem. Smile. Okay. Next we have Elinia Lingdo Talang. Elinia Lingdo Talang. Say itu pakai dulu sebentar. Smile kan? Rivan Surong. Next is Rivan Surong. Rivan Surong. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Rivan. Ika Lahun P. Sumer. Next is Oliver Israel Marwen. I'd like to call Ma'am Karen. She's the mother. So come and have a picture together in front. Adiel P. Rinja. Adiel P. Rinja. Adiel P. Rinja. Congratulations. Next participant is Ayansh Surong. Ayansh Surong. Next participant is Ban Pinpha Marbanyang. Ban Pinpha Marbanyang. Next is Bhumesh Raj Naurem. Bhumesh Raj Naurem. Next is Darren Mechwa Lalu. Darren Mechwa Lalu. Darren Mechwa Lalu. Darren Mechwa Lalu. Next, Derika Wamaya Lalu. Derika Wamaya Lalu. Next, we have Dami Lambha Manuel Majau. Dame Lambha Manuel Majau. Next is Dayo Chua Dame Frederick Shabong. Shut up, sorry. Our next participant is Jenny Saret Amy Nonkandri. Jenny Saret Amy Nonkandri is next. Next is Ian Lionel Maulong. Lionel Maulong. Next we have Jaden Wanli Walang. Jaden Wanli Walang. Next is Jayalakshmi Naurem. Next we have Jazil Rocky Lingdo Talang. Next is Mishan Hok Jotham Marbanyang. Mishan Hok Jotham Marbanyang. Laai Bakor Ke Khan. Laai Bakor Ke Khan. Next is Laai Bakor Ke Khan. Next is Mantre Dame Vincent. Mantre Dame Vincent. Next is Medhansh Gurung. Medhansh Gurung. Everyone, it's his birthday today. Oh. Medhansh Gurung. Next is Naira Javed Swear. Naira Javed Swear. Next, nginyo yai Meshulam Imle. Meshulam Imle. Last but not the least, nginyo yai Nangyai Penchai Snaitang. Nangyai Penchai Snaitang. Mentang nginyo saya ki seniors, kidon kumbakanyongut, an ngakot ya Imam Jasmine ba inuan ban, pen ilam yaki certificates. Next is Andrew Karbithai. Andrew Karbithai. After Andrew, we have Ariana Karalalu. Ariana Karalalu. Next, we have Banlam Jingshai Snaitang. Banlam Jingshai Snaitang. Next, we have Daryl Wallarpi. Daryl Wallarpi. Daryl Wararpi. After Daryl, we have Iliora T. Kharkongor. Iliora T. Kharkongor. After Iliora, we have Happy Samanbha Marbanyang. Happy Samanbha Marbanyang. This is Iliora, ladies and gentlemen. Next, we have Hafisha Marthong. Hafisha Marthong. Hafisha Marthong is next. Yashan Andrew Karsati. Yashan Andrew Karsati. Isaac Dabhok Marbanyang is next. Isaac is absent. Next we have Kendriana Warlarpi. Kendriana Warlarpi. Next we have Meaida Ibahun Majau. Meaida Ibahun Majau. After Meai, we have Aiden Manzano Shabong. Aiden Manzano Shabong. We have next the Karate Kid Maya Donhi Franklin Rendong. Ladies and gentlemen, she's the one who knows karate. Saphi Bakodor Majau is next. After Saphi Bakodor, Rila Akor Shanpru. Rila Akor is the one taking the certificate. Next we have Rizal Apshwa. Jai Jai. Raziel. Oh, killing task today. Last but not the least, we have one Risa Kharkongor. One Risa Kharkongor. Now call everyone here.
It's a very happy atmosphere with young, bright kids. My experience with Avenues, my two children have been groomed by Avenues, say. They've been associated with them, I think, from a very young age. And they're brimming with confidence now. They have so much confidence that we're scared as parents. If somebody calls them to, I know, if there's a performance in the stage, they'll be the first ones to go. Whether it's a speech, whether it's a song, a dance, or, anything. And we have to ask them, are you ready? Are you, we get scared. So thank you so much, Team Avenues, for that. I would also like to share one short, you can say a sort of testimony. Thanks to Jasmine, it was her last minute enrollment this year. She's the daughter of my friend. So I think she's turning 6 this time, this February. After she came back from the first day in Avenues, she told her parents, she had such a wonderful time. And after a week or so, she told her parents, can I not go to my old school anymore? I want to study in Avenues. So that just, reflects what Avenues does. I believe Aiden earlier said, he made new friends, and I believe all the kids have made new friends. We're living in this world where we have all virtual friends. Very soon we will not know who's on the other side, whether they're real, or the non-existent. To have such a platform where they can make connections, make friendships, I think it's wonderful. I would just like to end my speech by wishing all the parents the best in their endeavors, the children in their school, and may they have a bright careers ahead, and also Team Avenues. Please continue to educate our children in this wonderful atmosphere, techno-free world, techno-free, environment, and make them produce better citizens for the country. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Team Avenues. It's been a long while since I had connected with Team Avenues, because normally I would just call up Mark and get things done. They have helped many a family who have not been able to be conversant in English. And this time round, I am glad that I could enroll my daughter in the very last minute. And from what she brings back home, about what she experiences here at Avenues, I feel grateful to the team for bringing this wonderful platform and making it available for children to grow in the right direction. And as Batong Pair has mentioned, they seem to be brimming with confidence. And this is what each child needs as he or she grows. So, best wishes to all the parents, and I hope we continue with this effort in the years to come. Thank you, Team Avenues.
Hi, so my daughter, I enrolled her in early years. And the reason why I enrolled her was just purely because of the curriculum. I just found it amazing. So thank you so much. Because I feel in this age of AI and technology, we don't know what future holds, what are the kind of future jobs that are available. And it's about bringing out more of the human element, which is empathy, collaboration, resilience, that's going to take these future kids to their respective destinations. So thank you so much. I loved the curriculum. And my daughter is already sad that today is the last day. Thank you, Team Avenues.
All of you look so sad today. Yeah. So, my name is Banpan Bhamar Banyang, and I'm going to sing a song named Traffic Jam. Traffic jam, traffic jam, the city's crawling to a halt. A fellow bumped me but said it's my fault. Chock-a-block, cars a mock. Now tell me where's the place to park? Left the house 5 minutes late. My kids are locked out of the school gate. So who will mind my kids while I go to work? My wife is angry, my boss went berserk. Traffic jam, bumper to bumper, it's a squeeze. Yet there's a siren telling us please to move over, so VIP, a very important dignitary. Minions move out of the way into a ditch, now please don't delay. Traffic jam, I offered my friend a lift. Her short reply was a swift, no thank you. I'm in a hurry, got too much to do. Traffic jam, potholes grow bigger by the day. I saw a scooty slide downhill all the way, trying to skirt around the crater today. Traffic jam, it's an impossibility for of us to get in time from A to Z. Think of solutions now ASAP, beep beep. Oh, we are doomed to unproductivity, a life of tension, calamity. Ooh. Thank you.
Look at the camera. Smile. Thank you. Done. Look at the camera. Thank you.